Hello, this is a demonstration of our desktop application, NiigataAssirobo. The purpose of this video is to showcase a new functionality in this app, which requires two new OAuth2 scopes. Now, our app has already been verified for the gmail.modify scope, and our aim in this video is to be verified for two more scopes, for Google Drive and Google Spreadsheets. NiigataAssirobo is a desktop automation app, and we've added functionality to automate Google Spreadsheets on behalf of our users using their Google accounts. And since this new functionality requires and involves spreadsheets on the Google Drive and editing the spreadsheets, we require both the Drive scope and the Spreadsheet scope. So in this video, we'll go ahead and showcase why those scopes are necessary. And we'll demonstrate this by creating spreadsheets, editing spreadsheets, and finally deleting spreadsheets within our app. So I'd like to begin with the authentication flow. And to start off, we will navigate to the upper right-hand corner, this is the main menu, and click OAuth2 Management. Now here the user can choose which service they want to allow our app to automate. In this case, this is Google Spreadsheet. Now, the user will type in their account and click this Authorize App button. Now this will start up the browser and prompt the user to log in. And here we can see the client ID in the URL. Now I'll proceed to log in. And here the user can check that those are the permissions that they want to grant our app. In this case, this is Google Drives and Google Spreadsheets. So if the user is okay with this, he'll go ahead and click Continue. And that is it for the authentication flow. Right? So next we will demonstrate how our app actually uses those permissions to do things for our users. Now we'll start off by creating a new automation task, and we will call this demo spreadsheet task. And click Edit. Right, so this is the editor page for the new automation task, and we will begin by creating a new spreadsheet on behalf of our user. And in order to do this, the user would click Google Spreadsheets and this Create command here. And the user would type in the account that they want to use to create a Google spreadsheet and specify the spreadsheet name. So we will call this demo spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet ID is the name of the variable to contain the spreadsheet that will be created within our app. And we will click OK. And now if I click Run, our app will proceed to create a new spreadsheet on behalf of our user. Now, to make sure this actually happened, we will navigate to drive.google.com. And here we can see that the demo spreadsheet has indeed been created in our user's account. Next, we will demonstrate how to edit the spreadsheet by adding a value to a cell. And in order to do that, the user would use this setCellValue command. But first, we have to specify which spreadsheet to insert or to set the cell value in. To do that, the user would use this load Google Spreadsheet command and specify which account that they want to use and which spreadsheet within this account that they want to insert a cell value in. In this case, we want to insert into demo spreadsheet, so we will copy this URL and paste it here. And this will tell our application that this URL is, this spreadsheet is the one that we want to insert a cell value in. And we reference this spreadsheet with this variable name called spreadsheet. Now, in this set spreadsheet cell values command, we will specify the spreadsheet ID that we want to modify, and also specify the worksheet name. Now the worksheet name, I'll rename this to worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. And we will, for the demonstration, we will target cell A1 and input the value hello. Okay. So now if I run this, our app will take demo spreadsheet and insert a cell value here, like this happens. So in worksheet 1, in the A1 cell, the value hello was inserted. Right? Finally, we will demonstrate how to delete a spreadsheet. And we will do this by deleting the spreadsheet that we just created. We use this delete command. And paste the URL of the spreadsheet that we want to delete. And that's it. So if we run this, our app should delete the spreadsheet for our user. So if we refresh the Drive page, we can see that the spreadsheet has indeed been deleted, and this spreadsheet is no longer accessible. Right? So as you can see, there are a bunch of other spreadsheet commands available. And that concludes our demonstration for the new functionality we have with our app, which uses the new scopes of Google Drive and Google Sheets. Thank you very much for watching.